Don't forget to subscribe, and turn on notifications. We upload daily, and check the source of this video to view all the images and videos if there was any. Coughing, wheezing and crying customers were treated by paramedics today after a suspected chemical spill led to the evacuation of a Scottish shopping centre. Ambulances, fire crews and chemical experts were called into the Silverburn Mall in the Pollok area of Glasgow shortly after midday when shoppers reported worrying symptoms. Around 30 people have reportedly been treated at the scene. It is believed paint fumes may have been spread through an air vent near a Tesco store. Customers were evacuated from Silverburn Shopping Centre after a suspected chemical spill. Crowds gathered outside after officials took the decision to close the shopping centre. One customer, Chelsea Kelly, tweeted, "Just been evacuated from Silverburn after alerting the staff to the fact everyone was having severe coughing fits and tears streaming from your face." Another added, "In Silverburn over an hour ago myself and lots of others went into fits of spontaneous coughing." Another person wrote, "Silverburn has been evacuated, people randomly coughing." Police said that several people were receiving medical treatment as a precaution. A spokesperson for the Scottish Fire and Rescue Service said, "The Scottish Fire and Rescue Service was alerted at 12:34 p.m. on Wednesday, August 22 to reports of a chemical smell at Silverburn Shopping Centre, near Glasgow. Operations Control mobilised a number of fire engines and a specialist environmental protection unit to the scene. The shopping centre has been evacuated and crews currently remain in attendance. Fire crews investigating the spill while shoppers were treated by ambulance crews." The shopping centre tweeted, "We've temporarily evacuated Silverburn as a precautionary measure and the emergency services are in attendance. The safety of our customers and staff is always our number one priority. We will keep you updated on the situation." Junction 2 of the M77 was closed as a result of the incident.